In this video you will see how to draw 3D box in Word document like this. It's very easy. At last I will show you how to add this shadow to make the boxes pop out. Let's get started. First you need to click here on the insert tab and you will see the option of shapes. The basic 3D shape is available under the shapes. Click here and you will see the 3D box option, which is a cube. You can just click on this option, and now if you try to directly draw a box, you will get a rectangle but not the perfect square. So the trick is press and hold the shift button on your keyboard and then stretch the rectangle, so you will get the cube. Now you can do lot of things with this cube. You can click on the cube and you can freely rotate the cube like this in any direction you want. Once you fix the direction of the cube, you can also flip the cube, for example from right to left like this, or from bottom to top, or top to bottom like this. If you don't want this color, you can right click on the box and then go to the format shape option. Here under the field you can select the option no field. So this will remove the color from the box, and if you want to increase or decrease the size of the border, you can click here on the up and down arrows next to the width to increase or decrease the border size. You can also color the border from black to red, for example, or any color of your choice. And if you want a dotted or a dash border, you can select that as well. Now to add shadow to this box, you can click here on the effects option next to the present. You can select here the type of shadow you want. Personally I like this center. After clicking on it, as you can see, there is a shadow and the box pops out